Hello friends, today we are going to discuss importance of a project schedule. There are different six main processes which are available or involved in project time management. So what is project time management? Project time management is nothing but the complete the project in a timely manner. You have to satisfy the customer requirement what we have given them, what we can say that हमने उसे कौन सा टाइम प्रेडिक्ट करके दिया ताकि उस दिन या उस शेड्यूल पे हम हमारा प्रोजेक्ट उसे उसका प्रोजेक्ट उसे हैंड ओवर करेंगे. Okay, there are six different phases are available, processes are available. First one is activity definition. What is that? Identifying the specific activities that the project team members and stakeholders must perform to produce the project deliverables or final outcome. The output of activity definition is activity list, activity attributes, milestone list, etc. Next is activity sequencing, identifying and documenting the relationship between project activities. In first activity definition, here we are going to define the activity, but here in activity sequencing, here we are going to finalize or going to adjusting the sequencing between them. Okay, the output of activity sequencing is project schedule network diagram, requested changes, updation to activity list and attributes. Now next one is activity resource estimating. How many resources, people, equipment and materials. Now here resources means what? Resources not only equipment, a computer, a desktop, etc. Not only related to the non-living thing, but living thing also, peoples and different human resources are also the resource. So this is nothing but a project team should use to perform project activity. So which resource is required to satisfy or to perform this activity. So in activity resource estimation, that estimation is to be calculated by the project manager. The output of activity resource estimating is activity resource requirements, a resource breakdown structure, etc. Next, activity duration estimating. Estimating the number of work period that are needed to complete individual activities. So as its name suggests, activity duration estimation means what? How many tasks or how many time is to be required to complete particular activity or task, that is to be calculated or estimated in activity duration estimating. The output of activity duration estimating is activity duration estimates, etc. Now next one is schedule development. Analyzing activity sequences, activity resource estimate and activity duration estimate to create the project schedule. This is nothing but the analysis of a activity sequencing, activity definition, activity resource estimation and activity duration estimate, so that we are going to finalize the project schedule. Here what we can say that here we are going to finalize that should be your final schedule, that here we are going to complete your project within your time. Okay, what are the output of schedule development is project schedule, schedule model data, etc. Now last one is schedule control. What is schedule control? Controlling and monitoring or managing changes to the project schedule. So till now we are discuss activity definition, activity resource estimation, activity budgeting, activity scheduling, but here are going to discuss that key monitoring and controlling on these different activities or these different tasks, so that we are able to give or satisfy the customer requirement within their time. The output is performance measurement, request changes, project management plan, etc. So that is for six main processes. There are different six main processes are first one is activity definition, activity sequencing, activity resource estimating, activity duration estimating, schedule development, and schedule control. In next lecture we are going to discuss schedule management plan, and there are different processes are available for the same. Okay, thank you.